Today in our 2017 Chevrolet Express van, we will be installing the CURT Class 4 Trailer Hitch Receiver, part number 14090. Alright, here's what our hitch looks like installed. As you can see, it's nice and tucked up underneath our bumper cover here. It's also recessed back behind our bumper, so when we're going to load cargo into the back of our van, we don't have to worry about running our shin or our knee in the back of the hitch, hurting ourselves. Now, this hitch has a nice high gloss black powder coat finish throughout its entire construction, and that'll provide us with many years of rust-free and corrosion-free service. Welded onto the bottom of our hitch, on the frame here and the receiver, we have our safety chain plate with the loops here to connect our safety chains to. To the side of our receiver, we have our industry standard 5/8 of an inch diameter hitch pin hole here to secure whatever hitch mounted accessory we may have. At the end of our receiver, we have a nice welded on collar here to improve the looks of our hitch, and that gives some added strength. Now this hitch has a 1,000 pound max tongue weight rating and a 10,000 pound gross trailer weight rating. If we're using weight distribution with our trailer, the max tongue weight rating increases to 1,200 pounds and the max gross trailer weight rating increases to 12,000 pounds. You'll want to consult with the owner's manual of your Chevrolet Express and see what the vehicle is rated for. You don't want to exceed the capabilities of the van itself or the hitch itself. You want to go by whichever number is less. Now for a few measurements to better assist you in choosing any hitch mounted accessory you may need, such as a ball mount bike rack or a cargo carrier. You're looking at about 4 inches from the center of the hitch pin hole to the rearmost part of the back bumper, and about 18 inches from the ground to the top of the Class 4 2-inch receiver opening. Alright, here's the installation hardware that comes with our hitch. We have 6 of these spacer blocks here and 6 carriage bolts. These blocks will sit inside our frame. The bolt will drop through it and be held in place. Once we have all 6 of these in place, we'll raise the hitch up and we'll secure it with 6 flange nuts. Now that we've gone over what's included with the hitch, let's get the hardware installed and then we can install the hitch. Okay, so on the driver's side frame rail of our vehicle, these 2 holes that are on the back, we'll be using those, and then we'll be using the rearmost hole here towards the front. Take our plate, drop a bolt on down, stick it inside the frame rail. Do the same for all 3 of those locations. And we'll repeat the same process for the passenger side. Okay, with all of our hardware in place, we'll grab an extra set of hands, we'll raise our hitch on up in position and secure it with the flange nuts. Okay, with all of our hardware in place on our driver's side, we'll make sure we have all of our hardware in place on the passenger side. Okay, we'll snug down all of our hardware with a 3/4 inch socket. Now we'll torque all of our hardware to the specifications found in the instructions. We'll repeat the same process on the other side. And that completes our installation of the CURT Class 4 Trailer Hitch Receiver, part number 14090 on our 2017 Chevrolet Express van.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.